Hello, welcome back to Megaboost Digital Services, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to place a new order on Megaboost. First of all, you need to do is log into your account. That's if you have an existing account, and if you don't have an account on Megaboost, make sure you create an account and follow this process. After creating your account, then fund your account. Then let's go. Click on the menu here, then click on new order. Make sure you read through what is here. That's if you are ordering Instagram followers. Okay, it says place a new order, choose a category, choose a service, your post link URL, and the quantity. Okay, so let's pick the category. Let's say we want to order for Instagram likes. Let me check Megaboost cheapest services. You come under order service, and as you can see, we have different services. As you can see here, this ID 7 here, Instagram likes 92.15 naira. The amount displayed here is the total amount that you are going to pay per 1000 quantity, which means per 1000 Instagram likes on this particular service, I'm paying just 92.50 naira for 1000 Instagram likes. Okay, if you see 1k to 10k per day, that's telling you the amount of likes you can order on that particular account. For example, now let's click on it. Can you see the minimum here? The minimum amount of likes you can order is 10, and the maximum is about 10 billion. Okay, so 1k to 10k per day means, let's say for example you order 20,000 likes, it means that it's going to 10,000 likes would enter that your Instagram post per day till that your order is completed. That's if your likes order is between 1000 to 10,000. Okay, so now we are ordering just 1000 Instagram likes. Enter the quantity here, then the post link or URL. Let's go to our Instagram and check for a post that I want to boost the likes. Let me use an old post. Okay, let me say I want to boost the likes of this particular reel. I click on this, then click on the copy link, then come back here to my Megaboost and paste the link here. If you are ordering for Instagram followers, TikTok likes, or anything, the link of that your post or your profile is what should be here, and the quantity is what you are going to put here. Let's use 100 as an example. Then once that is done, click on this yes I have confirmed the order, and click on place order. Let it to load. Then it says thank you, your order has been received. That is basically how to place an order on Megaboost. Very fast and easy. Okay, let's check if our likes are beginning to enter. Once you place your order, it takes just few minutes for your order to begin, so always wait for about like 5 minutes and your order is going to start entering. Thank you for using Megaboost Digital Services. See you guys in the next video.